Hello, in this episode we're going to create a physical standby database using grid control. In a previous episode we did some preliminary work on the source database so that we can enable it so that we can use this grid control to create the physical standby. So we're done with that. So now we're actually going to create the physical standby using grid control. So we're going to get started. Our source database is called SourceDB. Make sure that the monitoring configuration of SourceDB is sys. I'm going to go into availability, add standby database, add standby database. Here the OS login is Oracle. Now we're going to the target. So let's call this TargetDB. And it's going to be found on a different server, 86.3, but the Oracle password's the same. Okay. Let's keep all of this the same. Use the sysdba monitoring credentials, and let's hit next. And we're going to hit finish. And this might take a while, so I might fast forward through this part. Okay, that didn't take very long. Let's just refresh. This takes a while to run. I might still fast forward through this part. Notice I switched to jobs here so we can watch this job actually go. See if we can see some of the results of what's going on. This part's still running. And we are done. Let's go back to the database. Now we see both the source and target, but let's go to source again. Availability. Notice now we have more options when it comes to DataGuard, so let's just look at manage example. And let's go ahead now, it says it's normal. Let's go ahead and verify the configuration. It looks like everything came out well. And we see we're in normal shape. And if we hit this. Eventually, we would start seeing some some data that occurs here, but we're done for now.